Mohideepa Banerjee is in Kolkata, Vasanthi Hari Prakash in Mysore. Mohideepa, 3,000 pandals you were talking about in Kolkata.
That's right, but really what happened this evening, Amitabh, is something of a record. Suddenly around 7:30, the rain gods decided to play spoil sport, and it came pouring down across the city, drizzling somewhere but pouring in others. And here at Salt Lake's FT block where I am, it rained so very hard, people were scampering for cover, scampering into the pandals for shelter. But Goddess Durga and the wishes of the lakhs of pandal hoppers seems to have prevailed, and the rain has gone away, at least for now, and people are out in strength. But today is Mahanavami, the last day of the pujas. Mr. Hiranmoy Roy Chaudhary here of the FT Block Association. Mr. Roy Chaudhary, how does it feel? Last day of the Durga pujas.
Yeah, we are feeling bad because from tomorrow onwards we will not be having anything to do, but definitely we will be missing. And we will be waiting for another one more year to face this kind of situation so that we can enjoy.
So, Ashche Bochor Abar Hobe.
Ashche Bochor Abar Hobe, that is our slogan, and we will live with that expectation that we will be able to do it next year also.
So there you have the sentiment, a slight sweet sorrow on Navami day when you know that you are going to say goodbye to the goddess in the next 24 hours. But the hope again that next year will come around, and so will Goddess Durga, as they say in Bangla, Ashche Bochor Abar Hobe. Amitabh?
Well, of course it will. Vasanthi, in Mysore, of course, you're not competing with 3,000 pandals, but you have 1 lakh bulbs lighting up the Mysore Palace.
Of course, Amitabh, it doesn't get better than this. There's a light breeze in the air, there's music and a grand, spectacular backdrop like the Amba Vilas Palace for this. In fact, if we can take you right there, and if ticket sales are anything to go by, this is the second most visited monument after Taj Mahal, built in Indo-Saracenic style by Henry Irwin in 1910. We're told that it was, on the ashes of an earlier structure that used to exist before, but got burned down in a wedding mishap in 1897. Well, the thing is that the Wadiyar dynasty, which is here now, tomorrow is the culmination of the 10-day festivities. And Amitabh, I must tell you that forget recession, forget swine flu scare, there are people who are thronging this place. In fact, by this time, the lights would have been switched off. But here we are at Mysore, just right, getting into Vijayadashmi tomorrow morning. Amitabh?
Thanks, Vasanthi and Mohideepa, for that.
Tuba.com